Okay, today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fill a form while you are not having any laptop or any desktop computer. So you may also deal with such type of emergencies by having Adobe Acrobat app in your mobile phone. If you want to fill a form like any admission form or any service card form or any job application form, so you may use Adobe Acrobat Reader in your mobile phone and you may easily submit your form in the time. So for this purpose, first install Adobe Acrobat Reader in your mobile phone, and then open your any type of application form in Adobe Acrobat and start uh, filling your application form by Adobe Acrobat Reader. So first I'm going to open Adobe Acrobat application in my mobile phone, and then I will, for example, I'm going to open an HR related form, like I'm going to fill a service card form in my mobile phone by using the Adobe Acrobat fill option. So I open this HR forum updated 3 in the very first file, as I will provide this form and this type of application in my video description. So I open this file and I will teach you, and I will need to learn how to fill this form. So I click on this form. Now I have this application form of service card or HR related form, and I want to open this I want to fill this form by applying the fill option in that has been provided in the Acrobat Reader application. So I first click on the pencil button, which is always used for edit purpose. So I click on the edit button given below in the right corner. I click on this button, and then I will opt the second option. I will select the second option, that is fill and sign. And now you are in edit mode. So there are different options, like sometimes and somewhere you will have to put a text sign, like in the very first section of this application form there are three options. Probably there are three options: secretariat employees, secretariat employees, attached employees, and district employee. So if I am going to fill this form for my purpose, so I'm an attached employee and I need to put a tick option. So look at below. There are some options like cross, tick, full stop, dash, hyphen, and circle. Or else you may also write some text over there. So I put the tick. So I put the tech option over here. So look at the look at sorry look at the attached employee text box that has been filled with the tech option. Now I may also write something in the department section, like I will click over here and I will click on the, no, I have a text option. So I will write higher education department, higher education. I may also change the font size of this text which I have written over here, like higher education. Just click over it and click on the A option and the A caption provided over here, and if I click on the bigger A, then the font size will increase automatically, like this. So I think this one is best. If I want to write the CNIC number in my personal information section, so I will click over here. Now it automatically fit to the column and row and whatever the text box has been given in the application form. So I write over here, like I provide some exemplar information. 17301. Then I will provide a space and then I will write dash 1. So uh, this is the C in IAC section, and it has been successfully filled by the fill option in Acrobat Reader. If you want to change it, so you may easily change it by dragging it to the left or right, like I do it. If it is not still in correct mode, you may also change it further. I think no, it is good fitted. So it is the C section where I have been provided my CNAC number. Like here you can also provide your name, like Furkanullah. You can also provide father name. Sorry. Delete this one and come over here. Let me complete this one. So now it has been completed in some of the section in the application form. Like you may check it over here. In attached form I put tech option. In the department I have written higher education. In name section I have provided the name, and in father name section I have provided the father name. So by this way you can complete the full application, and then you may easily submit it in the time. Okay, thank you.